Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Virgos. We are picking few cards, Virgos. So these are for your general energies. If you want more clarity in your situation, Virgos, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general reading, guys. So let's see what are these cards. We have 5 of wands in reverse, 10 of cups in reverse, and 4 of pentacles in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, Virgos, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. Maybe there are some arguments or stressful situations in your work. Maybe people are not listening to you and things are not according to your expectation. You may see some delays or suspensions in your work or maybe in your personal life. You may see this person arguing with you for anything and everything. So things are not in a harmonious way, going in a harmonious way in your life today, guys, Virgos. And maybe for some of you, you trusted this person, you believed them, but the way they act, the way they behave, or the things you hear about this person is simply making you lose your trust. So, something is making you lose your trust on this person, and you feel really sad and stressed because of this, guys. So it may be some gossips or rumors that you hear about them. Someone is giving you some kind of information. It may be your common friends. So that is again ruining this relationship for you guys. And you feel that you cannot trust them anymore. Some kind of misunderstandings are based on some rumors or something you hear about this person you love. And in your career, you may see some delays in your work, some suspensions, maybe suspensions of some projects. And maybe for some of you, you are expecting an answer from this person. Maybe you want marriage with them. But maybe for some of you, you have proposed to them and you are waiting for their answer. They have not yet answered your questions and they have not yet accepted your proposal. So some kind of you are in the doubt, confusion whether this person likes you, whether they love you, whether they want to be in this connection with you. So you do not have any clarity today. That again is causing a lot of stress and pain for you guys. So this person not answering your questions or not answering your proposal, it is giving a lot of pain for you. Or this may be their energy. They have proposed and you are thinking and waiting to make the right decision, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Virgos. If you want more clarity in your situation, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 3 cards here. So any doubts or confusions, you can think about it. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card, move on to this and then this. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card. I will leave these cards here. We will see what is the card for those who chose this card. It is flexible. So, with this card, guys, the energy is that in your situation today, guys, we must be able to open up to a new relationship, to learn new things in that relationship, have that new experience. And what is needed of you right now is let go of your rigidity. You don't need to be right always. Sometimes that other person is also right. So you have to be ready for a happy compromise if you want to work things between you both. And the appearance of this card in a reading just means that you have met someone, but this person may not be up to your expectations. They may not be your dream person. But you need to let go of your ideas and expectation to see the truth. Maybe this person may not be up to your dreams or your expectations, but they are someone who is here, who may be right, and with whom you will feel you will connect in a different way and in a more beautiful way, and you will be happy that you have made the choice. But you need to be flexible to go for that connection, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, we have the red shoes, obsession. So with this card, the energy is that maybe for some of you, you have chosen something, some path or some habit or some thing you considered as good for you, a recreation, a desire, something wonderful you feel, but it has taken over your life. It has made you a slave. So you are a slave to these addictions or some habits, and it is an unhealthy attachment that you have. It may be something you have on a person or a habit or a circumstance. You need to free yourself of your compulsion, guys, and you need to seek help and gain control of your life today, because these addictions are taking over you. These compulsive behaviors are changing the way things are in your life, and it has gone to that extent. So you need to be really careful, work on that. It is these compulsions are affecting the way you are in this relationship, the way you behave, and your life in general. So you need to take back your power. You should not give anyone or anything power over you. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all. So let's see what is the third card. For those who chose this card, we have Archangel Zadkiel. So whenever we have an angel card, it just means that angels are there guiding us today, guys. And this angel card just means compassion and forgiveness. Maybe it is time for us to forgive ourselves for the mistakes we did in the past, or for the mistakes that our person did, and we need to move on our life and forgive that person and have that awareness, guys. See things with a broader perspective and a deeper understanding for everyone around us, maybe with this person we love. So when we see things from a different perspective, we understand that whatever happened is no one's mistake. It is all due to our circumstances. And we have to feel compassion towards ourselves and towards the people who are in relationship with us, and move on in our life, guys. Forgive ourselves and forgive that other person. That is the only way we can heal from these deep emotional wounds that we have in our life, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.